Hi everyone. Today's security tip. Ensure to monitor your accounts regularly for any suspicious activity to take immediate action. Monitoring your accounts regularly for suspicious activity is a crucial step in maintaining your online security. If you notice any suspicious activity like unauthorized login attempts, unusual changes to your account information, unexpected changes on your bank account, or emails from your account that you did not send, it is important to take immediate action by changing your password and contacting your bank to report. You can help to protect your personal information and maintain the security to your online presence. Hope you follow this tip and secure online. Thank you.